Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you Toyota size speedometer, also known as combination meter or instrument cluster, before and after we converted it from Japanese to English. All menus and warning messages in its instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. We've checked the Japanese owner's manual. Some warning messages the cluster will display in the event of breakdown are not even mentioned in the manual. We have converted all of them. After conversion, instrument cluster displays all statistics, notifications, and warnings in English. For example, there could be notifications related to low oil pressure, low key battery or key being left inside the car or key not detected, notifications related to duty radar or radar access beam adjustment, lane keep assist system, power steering system, cruise control, moonroof open, etc. Apart from normal driving conditions, any notifications and warning messages will now pop up in English. Thank you for watching.